For today's VO2 max test, we're going to be using a treadmill. The ASMS has two of these Cybex Trotter Elite treadmills, and the reason we purchased those was for two reasons. The first one is their downloadable capability, and their second one is their real-time capability. Now firstly, the downloadable capability means that here at the ASMS we're able to make custom programs, and the custom program that I've made for this VO2 max test is based upon one on the web, which is the protocol of every minute the inclination of this treadmill will rise by 2 degrees and the speed will remain constant throughout the entire test at 12 kilometres per hour. For the first 5 minutes the inclination will increase 2 degrees per minute, and then it will increase at 1 degree thereafter. As most of the tests last 6 to 7 minutes, that means the maximum sort of inclination a subject may reach is approximately 11 or 12 degrees. Now the reason we selected this protocol was based upon one on the web which predicts VO2 max without a gas analysis system, and the formula for that is 42 plus 2 times to exhaustion. So for instance, if a subject can last 6 minutes on the treadmill, 2 by 6 is 12 plus 42 makes 54, and that would be in mils of oxygen per kilogram of body mass. Anecdotal evidence here at the ASMS has suggested that there's a fairly good correlation, positive correlation between time to exhaustion using the predicted VO2 max and actually using our gas analysis system. Now, real-time capability of this treadmill enables us, using the data cable connected to a laptop or a fixed computer, to actually at any point in time be able to see at what point in the protocol the treadmill is up to. So for instance, we're able to see in real time what the inclination, the speed, the heart rate of the subject, and also what METs they're performing at. The gas analysis system we use here at the ASMS is one of a number of ones which have the very special capability of being downloadable. Now that enables a subject, they're not going to be doing it here because they're on the treadmill, but to actually take the unit and, wearing a very special kit that transfers with some battery packs, they're able to go out into the field using this mouthpiece and to collect data. When they come back to the laboratory, that data is then able to be downloaded into the laptop for subsequent analysis. Now, as I say, we're using the treadmill here, so that's not going to be particularly relevant to us. But one of the also advantages of the MET Graphics VO2000 unit, which is the one that we're using, is that we have a full one-piece mouthpiece. So in many circumstances, some of you may have come across a VO2 max test where the nose is actually pinched off. This actually have a one-piece mouth which enables the nose to still be used. Now as a consequence, that enables the mouth to retain a little bit more moisture for longer. You will still get a dry mouth by using one of these mouthpieces, but unlike when the nose is clamped, that dryness comes out a little bit longer, which means that it's less discomforting for the athlete to go to maximum exhaustion. Now the software that we use for the VO2 max, the VO2000 system by MET Graphics, is BreeSuite. BreeSuite is a reasonably good software package, but it's worth noting that if you do have the option of what software to use with your VO2000 system, it may be worth considering another software other than BreeSuite. It does tend to have some SQL issues.